Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile name in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Changing your name in Mobile Legends Bang Bang is a great way to refresh your identity, match your squad vibe, or simply upgrade to a cooler username. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends on your device and wait for the lobby screen to load. From the lobby screen, tap on your avatar icon at the top left corner from your home screen. Now you will be able to see your profile section. Tap on your name at the top and then you will be able to see this pop-up menu. To change your name, you need to go ahead and spend a rename card. If you are changing your name for the first time since you've created an account, you can do it for free. Since I've already changed my username, I'm gonna have to use the rename card. Go ahead and enter your new name in the text box, or you can also tap the dice icon to randomize a name for you. Once typing in the name, click on OK, and then if you don't have a rename card, then you can go to the shop and buy one. If you do, you will be able to change your name right away. So that is how you can easily change your name in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.